Let's nerd out on neuroscience and learning, part 1. Welcome to Microlearning with MB, 1-minute mini lessons. So here we go. Have you ever thought about how complex the brain is and all those neural pathways? Well, there's about 100 billion neurons in the brain. That's 100 trillion neural pathways and possibilities for information to travel in your brain. And it takes about 10,000 repetitions to learn a new skill or acquire that knowledge. Let's dive into that for a second. If you're only explaining a concept or a skill to your learners one time, they're not getting it. It's not making its way from short-term to long-term memory. In order to do that, that information needs to be repeated over time so that the student can start to make those neural pathways in the brain. It's like a filing cabinet, where if the student doesn't have a filing cabinet for that information at all, they have to create a new one. That takes a lot of energy and a lot of effort. For some of your advanced learners, they have those filing cabinets. It's essentially having them go into those filing cabinets to take out that file, open it, learn it, read it again, and put it away. The more often that drawer is open and that file cabinet is open, the more sticky that information becomes and the easier it is to recall that information, hence getting that skill and that information into long-term memory. That's what learning is all about. Stay tuned next week for part 2 of Neuroscience and Learning, where we talk about distributed practice, one way to get that information from short-term to long-term memory. I'll see you there. New mini lessons every Monday. Don't forget to hit subscribe.